praise the Lord.
Bada bing, bada bing, bada bing. It's all about the Mixup and Blenda sitting in there with me, the king of Mixup, Mr. Washbelly, Ragashanti up in the building. And we say Mixup and Blenda Entertainment up in the sitting there without apology. We up in the place here, and DJ Chris Cross, they are same way. The producer, Rooty the Cutie, wearing a red suit to the root, yeah, ease off dopey to the. And you don't know if them are wearing enough red dopey, them are ease off, you know. Jermaine King. Michelle, a.k.a. Patty Belly, a.k.a. Gotti, a.k.a. Bellias, a.k.a. Emily, up in the place and thing. Well on. Yeah, we have a linky here. We have power from this morning, you know, you see it? Mr. Man, him down in that place right now. His name is Diplo.
Check.
No, Diplo in the bit. Hey, Diplo come with them bossy voice right now. You know, all the ladies, them are going to love off Diplo voice. Diplo, you know that your voice is way sexier than my voice, you know.
I'm working on it.
You're working on it. You don't need to work anymore because you see that the ladies, them start like you. Michelle, take a picture of Diplo, make them see Diplo. Take a picture of Diplo, make them see Diplo. Diplo, you and I were in West Kingston today, and I took you to some community where I used to live in West Kingston down on Percy Street. They big up the Percy Street massive, big up the West Kingston massive and thing. And first of all, tell us what you're doing here with this project while we were down there. And by the way, you're filming something for a program, and you're doing all of this, so but perhaps you could just tell the people.
We're doing this big for TV right now, live on the air, Ragashanti. We came to West Kingston with you today because a lot of people come with TV to check out Kingston, but we wanted to show, you know, the proper West Kingston, how Jamaica is today. And I know Ragashanti is the voice, from what I heard, for the city. So we wanted to take people and show them what was going on. And, yeah.
But why you pick me? You must know I'm not exactly loved by the elite here.
I don't know, but in West Kingston, I think that we couldn't get a group of about 70 girls to stop following you and jumping on top of you. So I think that you're the proper person to ask about West Kingston. So.
Well, I took you to where I used to live, and have you meet some people that I know down there, and it's great. And people... Diplo, up, you don't mind me saying this, but Diplo is a Caucasian. Diplo is a white man, but him rootsy and him thing and him down to earth. Yeah, and I brought this man to West Kingston, and guess what we had for lunch, Patty Belly?
Bola?
No. Guess again. Guess again.
Chicken back.
Chicken back.
Yeah.
Diplo and I, we kept it real. A straight chicken back. We said, Diplo, how was the chicken back?
I mean, you said to eat the bones. I thought I was going to die, but I tried it.
No, I was explaining to Diplo that, you see, the way we cook food, sometimes if the meat cut up small and the bone cook, it gets soft. And when the seasoning soak in the bone, we just clot up the bone too, you know, Diplo.
I'm still here. I'm still here. So
did you eat the bone, Diplo?
I had some bone, yeah.
You had some?
Yeah, I did.
But are you allowed to say where this thing might be shown, or?
Well, yeah, it's for the Travel Network, and I think, you know, we're just trying to give people a real perspective of Kingston culture. Okay. Because, you know, we hear a lot of things in the news, we hear a lot of things in the radio, and, you know, we wanted to come there and do it properly. Okay.
Is this a pilot project of more to come, or will you be going to other countries?
If I don't die from chicken backbone, we can probably do some more episodes, so hopefully... Yeah.
Right. But why Jamaica? I understand that you've actually been in Jamaica for a while on many occasions and so forth. Tell us a little about that.
It's a good place to start for the show because I've done some production. You know, we've had a record in Jamaica called Major Lazer. We did a record with Cartel called Pon the Floor. And I've been
did a record with Cartel called Pon the Floor?
Yeah.
And you were the producer?
That's right.
For what label? What label was it?
It's on Downtown Music in America.
Okay. So you love dancehall?
I love dancehall.
Okay, for real?
And I love reggae music. And I love the culture. So, you know, the project like Major Lazer is a mix of, you know, reggae and house music and everything. You know, it's. So
you have been to dancehall sessions, and do you know the dances? Have you
we walked past where the Pasa Pasa is today. You know,
right.
You know, I've been there a few times on the Thursday nights, and
yeah,
I know the dances.
Right,
I know a few.
Well,
I can't do them very well.
Really, Thursday mornings.
Yeah, Thursday mornings.
Yeah, the way it really set up and things. So you have actually danced and enjoyed yourself at these.
I've tried to dance, but yeah, definitely.
Here is the real thing. Have you been properly daggered?
I think I have been, yeah.
You have been?
Yeah.
Oh, so you...
There's a lot of daggering going on. When we do our live performances for Major Lazer, it's a mad daggering.
Okay, so have you ever had a woman just, you know, those Jamaican women, they can be quite...
They bang me up pretty hard at the wall, I fall down, I don't know. My balance isn't very good.
Your balance was what?
Nah, and my balance is off.
They-
You have to bend your knees. You have to get down there. I didn't know that. They just knocked me over.
They just knock you
Yeah.
over. It's like, no, you have to hold it. There is a sort of a gender competition inherent in it because they will come hard, but
No,
you
they
as the
do.
man, you have to firm up.
I got to practice, man.
You
I
gotta
need-
practice.
Yeah, I need to rehearse.
So you got banged up a little bit.
Yeah,
right?
I mean, here in Kingston, maybe one day this week we can try some rehearsals and some practicing. Yeah, so hopefully I'll be.
Where you're so involved with it, you're producing songs and whatever, and I'm always intrigued because unfortunately we have quite a few people here who consider themselves bright people and so forth,
Right.
and they don't care much for dancehall. The people who describe dancehall as a weapon of mass destruction,
I'm
and
aware.
you are outside of the country and you're seeing value in this. You're
Right.
pursuing it.
I mean,
You're-
you can't deny that dancehall takes Jamaican culture to the world. That's what people think. That's your chief export.
No.
is the music.
These people will say, yeah, they do. Dancehall
Right.
does, but they're taking the bad side of Jamaica to the world.
Yeah.
That is their argument. Do you have a response to that?
You gotta let it go out, the good and the bad, everything. You can't.
There's good and bad in everything.
Yeah, you can't funnel just the good.
Okay.
So I think a lot of times, music is both a mirror and a tool, but I think that you can't sort of you can't just pick one or the other. You have to
A
go
mirror
full on.
and a tool.
Yeah.
So in this, it's
It
a
reflects
tool.
what's happening, but it can influence, but
It can influence also,
Right,
right?
yeah.
And there are people who would want it to only influence.
Exactly.
But the truth is, if you have some ugliness and some scars in your home or in your nation, the
Right.
music is going to reflect.
like when
that.
we were in West Kingston today. I mean, you don't see a lot of news from those areas, but I think a lot of music can give you the proper news that you don't hear.
But you were there in West Kingston. In terms of the feel you got from the people, what was it?
I mean, the vibe is amazing. It's crazy that I feel the energy, except someone told me my pants were too tight.
So somebody told you your pants were too tight.
Yeah. I don't think they're that tight. Are they that tight?
Well, I wasn't noticing that, to be honest, whatever this and that. But with respect to the construction of masculinity,
Right.
it is considered somewhat effeminate if a
Right,
man
right.
wears too much and wears his pants too tight.
I know. I'm gonna change pants when I get out of the
No,
studio.
you don't have to change. You just wear your pants, whatever.
I'm not allowed to wear shorts either. I think Cartel says in the song.
What?
Real bad men never wear shorts.
No.
But it's too hot.
No. He says cut off foot pants and whatever,
okay, okay.
And Cartel is quite influential amongst
He's
them. But at
crazy
the end of the
influential.
day, I like the song Clarks and whatever,
Right.
but I don't wear Clarks.
No.
And so Cartel can't tell me what to wear.
No.
Because I have a mind of my own.
Exactly.
But I like listening to him saying that it's all about Clark.
That's the right idea. I think.
Right, and
Yeah.
that's how, and pretty much that's how most people are actually.
Yeah.
Most people are.
I think that it's true. You have to make your own decisions, but yeah.
Okay. Well, Diplo, it was a pleasure, being in West Kingston with you today, showing you where I live.
Thanks for showing us. I
Showing
don't
you
think we coulda-
walking all over.
I don't think we could have been there without you. So you're a great host.
Right, I
So-
appreciate it. No, I thank you for having me being the host. And,
Right.
And I enjoyed it, and I like your team.
They're good
They're
guys.
cool. They are.
They wear sunglasses in the studio.
They're
That's
great.
how cool they are.
That's how cool it is. Yeah, Blues Brothers.
Yeah.
Reincarnation there.
I'm gonna let you get back to your radio show though. I thank you for having me and
No, you have to go to don't you have to go to Nannyville because
Yeah.
G.
we're gonna meet Jay Will.
You're gonna meet Jay Will,
Yeah, we're gonna
and
do-
there's a video being shot down there,
That's
voicemail featuring Ding Dong.
That's
Yo,
right.
that's big, That's
big.
big. I mean, voicemail without O'Neill, you probably, I don't know
heard
if you're
about that,
familiar
yeah.
with
I
that
have a
story,
BBM,
unfortunately.
so-
But it's still a great thing. So,
Yeah.
Nannyville people want to line up in a Diplo and a Massive and come down the right, with Jay Will, and I'm going to film the video with voicemail and Ding Dong and the whole dancing crew. So I want you to be nice to them, treat them good, give them that legendary warm Jamaican hospitality. And when you go up to them, say hello. And Ragashanti say they must treat you good, so them going to treat you good. Make sure you do that. You give them your blessings and things. Diplo.
Thank you.
Diplo to the flipping world. Say that.
Diplo to the flipping world.
Okay. Diplo, can you say that with a little bit more energy, please?
Diplo to the flipping world.
Mad! That's what Tingz said. All right, thank you so much. I enjoyed myself, and I'm looking forward to this. This is a pilot project, like you said. I hope the Travel Channel picks it up, and it would be indeed a wonderful experience to view it and thing. And if it does, you should tell me so I can tell the listeners.
Don't worry.
And
I'll
they'll
be on your
check it out.
Facebook wall, putting it up myself.
All right, then.
All
Diplo,
right.
blessings and respect. Okay, people, we're going to take a little break right now. We're going to take a little break right now, and we're going to run some ads, do some business, and when we come back, it's party time. We're going to get back to this song, but right now it's time for...
Something.
Oh my God! Can you believe that?
Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, then anything really can go so. Hear that drama, yeah. 911 call after woman handcuffs herself to husband. 911 call after woman handcuffs herself to husband. This is in Connecticut, in the United States. A woman in the U.S. state of Connecticut wanted to reconcile with her estranged husband so badly, she handcuffed herself to him while he slept and changed the locks on his bedroom door. 37-year-old Helen Sun told officers she wanted to make sure her husband, Robert Drawbaugh, couldn't get up and leave while she talked with him. Clearly not willing to talk, Mr. Drawbaugh was eventually able to pin Miss Sun down and call 911 on his mobile phone, where he could be heard screaming for help and saying that Miss Sun was biting him. Ow! Mr. Drawbaugh shouted several times during the call. Are they almost here? Oh, God! She has a history of violence! She's biting me! Miss Sun has been charged with third-degree assault, disorderly conduct, reckless endangerment, and unlawful restraint. She was being held on U.S. $15,000 bond after a court appearance today. Police were called to the couple's house on Valentine's Day last year when the couple got into a fight, and in December 2007 when they got into an argument over a Christmas tree. The status of the divorce is unclear. Chris guys, I can't imagine you a woman at war and you say, yeah, your mama can't bother with this and boom, she just handcuff you.
Deuces.
Huh? No, man, I want to them. At that name, desperation, you know. Huh? Let me tell you something. Because she claims that when she attacked him, she don't want him to leave. But why woman stay so? If we argue back with them say we argue back like yeah.
No, man.
But when them argue with we must just sit down there and take it. And if we walk with, we don't love them. But when you attack to them walk with. No, if you don't go after them, you don't love them.
Well, that's true.
Yeah, don't it's true.
Yeah.
Don't it's true.
Yeah, but when
But it come down to the damn selfish. What you say, Chris?
Surprisingly, a lot of them like when you can mash up a
What,
woman. May I say you can mash up some of them, you know, just don't say nothing.
Talk in a microphone.
May I say surprisingly, a lot of them like when you argue back with them. You can mash up them.
Yeah,
some of them
but
head.
most, no, some woman rate you if you can't tell them about the things and all you want, you know. But you can't. You know, you got a woman and want a man who can't just argue back with them.
At the same time, if you don't answer what I taught you, it get with eat it. Because in the area we are taught you.
That's all you have to say. That's all I have to say. Everything I just said, that's all I ever say. You don't even care about me. You don't even care about me. You don't even care about me. Look at everything I just said. But you see, when them I do it to you, like with the you, my girl, wait. Me no know. You know what me hear? You know what used to kill me? I realize, say, damn idiot, Raga, stop ass back. No, man, you know what used to kill me? When you are real out, and then you say, so why, and then get that line here. So what you want me to say? Yo!
Am I like that?
So what you want? You ask me. So what you want me to say? I have nothing to say. What you want me to say? Tell me what me tell you. You understand? That used to drive me crazy. Now, when them do them things, I don't even look upon them now. I just boom. I straight ignore me saying them. Not no drive a woman. You see, you know them do and flip it by you know. Time I don't want to argue and she realize me I do the ignore thing. Walk her out. He said me come back, she not there. Whole night apart, she not there. That time I fret out cloth what I'm doing. I wonder what I'm doing. I mean, I line up, could I sleep? But you know who never call her? No, say you have to hold it. Cross, you have to hold it. Me not call her.
Mama tell you, yeah, somehow you could have walked much, they come back where I pick up which power left farm. Yeah, we trifling like that. If when you argue and you walk out, as you come back where I pick up which part left farm, it's I got done. No. And we I got done it.
Listen now, the fundamentals of reinforcement are, you see, if somebody keep repeating an action and them not getting the result where them want, at some point, them will hold it long, you know. At some point, them going, if it's even for say, you know, I can't bother with you, yeah, I can't bother with you, because you're a dirty man, you're an idiot, man. At some point, them let it go. If it's even for done you first, and let it go.
Yes, so now tell you, if you walk out when we are done you, when you come back, we are going to done you till we belly full.
All right, don't worry yourself, man.
That's the time where we bill.
Anyway. But there you have it, that woman handcuff herself to her husband because when she keep up her foolishness and want to bite the man and all them things, the man walk her out, so she just handcuff him clat and start fling up some bite and dime. A dirty woman, she hungry, and she say meat. That one!
Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
I don't know what we are talking about. Call in and tell we the things them wanna do for keep on a man and for keep on a woman. Call in and tell we the things them wanna do for keep on a man and for keep on a woman. Call in and free up. Tell we the truth. Tell we the truth, the things them wanna do for keep on a man and for keep on a woman. You understand? Ruth, we have the call about it obvious. But our background noisy. That never sound too right, you know. All right. All right, Ruth. Well, I say our background of a nice. Yeah? The way you say it's up. She not busy Christiana. We're afraid of them something there, you know. We know. Tell her we show her back, yeah. She borrow somebody's bathroom. All right, that's good. Tell her to borrow somebody. Yes, man, I have to make the car. Is she now in somebody's bathroom? Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You remember saying we say we are calling you back? Yesterday we say we are calling you back. You first we are calling.
Yes, I'm here. Yeah, man, me there.
You
my background noisy.
Okay, you borrow somebody's bathroom.
No, me not get the bathroom. That's they can't lend me.
They can't lend you a bathroom?
Yeah.
You didn't tell them how you do? What you didn't want it?
No.
Okay.
Just telling you to lend me 1 minute.
All right, then. So, what we did I talk about when we say me I call you back? You did have something else to say
We
to?
did talk about the girl was telling man say in my arm in Jim bun.
All right, but Jeremy, listen to the background and nonetheless, here. The girl will tell the man, say what?
Say him go start out and swipe and him apologize to the man.
Me not remember. Yo, hold on, where you there?
Christiana?
Hold on, then Christiana, big man girl, which part of Christiana you there?
Yes, I'm right in front of NCB Bank, up here nice. I'm here to tell about one bathroom, I can't get none.
No, I don't want to feel no way, but them not really allow if it, you know, when them there in them
no,
shit.
then, yeah.
Because somebody might go say something. No, man, somebody might go say something in the background and we don't want to get in on the
Alright, you know what I'm going to do?
Yeah.
Let me try reach home and never buy a credit and call you.
Yeah.
Me call you back on this line.
No say a word.
I want to just,
Yeah, man.
Let me reach home and call you back and then you call me then.
All right, then, baby. We do that, yeah?
All right.
And about that ears for go home, do it. Take your time, yeah?
Yeah, man, me go home right now because I don't do no business. I just want to change me come look, man.
Oh, you see it? Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
It goes. Okay, to the phone line to go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, what's up?
I'm fine.
You are?
Yes, I'm fine.
All right, you sure? Because why does I say it, Diana fine enough?
Raga.
Yo.
I'm fine.
Okay, you're fine. Okay, I believe it that you're fine. You're so fine.
Very fine.
Okay.
Yes, I called the day before yesterday.
Eh?
I called the day before yesterday.
Uh-huh.
And I was telling you about, you said something last week about the same fish argument.
Oh, you say you were calling from uptown?
Yeah.
And you say you did go try the fish thing?
Yeah, but me not really sure. Me have an idea what I want, but me not really sure.
Darling, can I just tell you, say, I'm advising you not to try it. Because I never really even tell you what it was. I never really mention what it was, because it's something I can't mention. The discussion was that there's some people doing some crazy things out there, and you'd be shocked to know. And if somebody else did tell me this, I couldn't believe it. But the person who told me it was done to her right here in Jamaica by our uptown man. Mm-hmm. You understand? But you managed to pick out what it was. But I wouldn't advise you to try it, to be honest with you. You don't think so? Just load that one.
Yeah, sure, I got. Because basically the way you say something like how the move and, something so figure out, say maybe.
Okay, and you're just fascinated by it.
Yeah.
But you don't really go try that on your body, no, so that's very risky.
I'm desperate.
You're desperate for what, no?
A man. So, let's try it and done.
You're desperate for a man?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
A real man, that is.
Wait, how desperate? How desperate?
I mean, just normally do self-serving things, so I guess,
You normally what? Oh, what you say? You normally help out yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, so right now when you want a release, are you just help out yourself?
Yeah.
And you want a man for kind of do that?
Yes.
A real man, because it's a fake man you have right,
I don't have a man, I just want somebody. I may look long time, but, 4 years now.
So. How long now you look?
4 years, approximately 4.
Approximately 4 years?
Mm-hmm.
Are you telling me that you haven't had a man in 4 years?
I haven't. But what really happened there, couple years ago.
Yeah.
Before.
Yeah.
I used to be with this guy from high school, and, everything was good, and...
Well, you used to know with this guy. You used to know that this guy from high school. You didn't know him from high school.
We were together from high school.
Okay, but you're not in high school now.
No, man.
Okay, go on.
Mhm. And apparently we were supposed to get married, but when I grew up in church and everybody tells us no sex before married and everything.
Yeah.
So we gave out invitation and everything, and about couple weeks or so before the wedding, we planned. Well, to me, I was just saying, I'm a little try to see if we fit on, and...
Okay. Hold on. The church telling us no sex before marriage, right?
Yes.
So we never did do that, but it's a couple weeks before the wedding now.
Yes.
What?
We had tried.
We not try to do it.
I wasn't really try.
At that time, had you ever done anything before?
No.
Okay, so you were a virgin.
And I was 22 at the time.
And you were 22 at the time and a virgin, right?
Mm-hmm.
Was he a virgin too? Was he a virgin also?
I'm not sure.
You
couldn't really say that to you.
Well, you never ask him?
But man, going to lie.
Okay, when you ask him, what him say?
Him said when I'm 15, 16.
Yeah.
Into them things.
Him did do a thing. But you the suspect say him never do nothing?
Well, during the period we were together.
You never do anything?
Never do anything.
But what is your best guess, like, at that time, if him did do anything before
he was,
you?
But
if he said him do something before you, okay, but go on, talk. So, you did that try now 2 weeks before and what?
So, apparently we normally have phone sex, right?
You normally have phone sex?
Mm-hmm.
As Christians, you did have phone sex?
Of course, Christians do that and Raga.
Okay, no. But just I said, when I was having phone sex because the church, that's sound enough to do the real thing, right?
Yes, so,
okay. Right.
Kind of creative way and do it.
Right, okay.
So, the night now and everything, getting good and everything. So, you normally tell me the size and, me I get excited and everything,
Mm-hmm.
So, the night now and...
You know, say you have to really code up the thing.
Right, trying to fix it up, yes.
Yeah, man.
So, apparently, when you get there, it was too small, rather.
It was too... Well, there's something I meant nice back here. I don't know if it's a radio or what, but we can't... We have to stop here that right now, yeah?
You still hearing?
There is something making noise in that radio or TV, but we don't want to hear it.
No, Raga, we don't know.
Okay, we not hear it now.
Okay.
Oh, no, we just hear it again. But go on. So what you saying, they're too small?
Very, very small.
Like what kind of small? Like okay small or wingy small or like one little dot?
But then, Raga, I was so shocked at the moment, to tell you the truth.
So when you see it, you're shocked?
Yeah, because he's very muscular, you know.
Oh, him big and thick and muscular?
No, he's not big and thick, but he's short and
muscular.
Well, because he was a soldier.
Oh, he's a soldier?
Yes. So, you know.
And them always say the sharp man and stay well in him, man.
You understand? And him always tell me and everything, and I say, yes, you know. Perfect.
Build up your hopes, man. Say that one you're going to shut out.
So, at the moment, when I just sit there, the only thing comes to my mind, apart from the smallness, was that, you know, I'm on game bunny.
So, hold on now. 2 weeks before you married your fiancé, because when I never did that, do not know what time, because the church sound enough to do it. So 2 weeks before you married him, on the decide, say, you know, I'm going to test it sitting.
Yeah.
And when you see it and see it's small, the first thing come to your mind is that, no, that man is going to get born.
Yes.
What? Tambourine! No, sir! As you see that, you say, no, that size name, I'm going to get born. I'm going to get born.
We see 50 different pictures, man picture in my mind.
Okay.
That's how serious it was.
Hold on, it was that small?
Raga, weeny.
No, like, give me an idea how small it. Like, give me an idea, like.
You know, like,
yeah.
So the average 10, 11-year-old boys.
Yeah.
About that size.
Wow.
Very small. Very raga.
The big soldier man when you got married, the film something look like one right 10, 11-year-old have.
Yes, raga.
But give me like an idea, like right near to, like no pencil long.
No man, pencil very, very long, very, very long, raga.
Pencil long.
Yeah, comparing to it.
Give me a night. May I try if it. Wait, look like ice cement, like what? Well, okay, here we go. Your liquor finger. Tell me, explain it in relation to your liquor finger.
About half of the other finger to it.
The half of the finger beside the liquor finger, about half of that one.
Yes. No, the liquor finger plus half of the other one to it.
Oh.
So maybe some people think
and that's your liquor finger.
Yes.
So basically, I could just look on the other finger then and say little longer than that one there. But what was it very thick?
Raga, to tell you the truth, after thinking about that, I said to myself, but maybe I know if I do the swiping. When I look back on him, I said, no, I feel like I eat one melted candy. I just don't bother with it. Simple as that.
But hold on now. What I want to ask you now is, the church people them know. If them hear you say that, you know that they would not be pleased with you.
But Raga, the Holy Ghost talk to me, because anybody did marry him, Raga, my life would have done full stop.
Hold on. What you say, when you see it and you decide, say, this is a man you're going to get born and this is not a man for David, you think it was the Holy Ghost attack to you that?
No, I mean, the Holy Spirit, going to tell me if you go try it out at first.
Oh.
Because, what is
so I got to talk to you for check it out before you're going to get married?
Yes.
Because God wants you to know exactly where you're going to say, are you on Tompa or link right now? Yes. I don't know with Tompa. Yes. Jesus, me understand. So it's God reveal the thing to you, don't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the church people them can't tell you no foolishness because God did attack to you.
But I want to learn, I was saying to myself, this should have go through with the marriage.
Yeah.
And just my life miserable. And maybe a 2 year, 3 years, me divorce after. Because Ragashanti, sort out very important to our marriage, right?
Sort out is very important to our marriage,
very
right?
Important,
okay.
Whatever nobody wants to say.
Right.
Yes, and me I say to myself, you know, if I marry him, he don't get born and me going to pay and me going there with him, then I'm going to do that. You know me for the Raga?
Yeah.
Me don't want my parents come parents can say, you know, blood Jesus against you, then crap there. So.
Or the parents, I say the blood of Jesus against you because them parents say you have, right?
You understand?
Right,
Maybe they say me soon had a person to go try it or whatever. And I want to, like I say, up to a week before. Well, Raga, before that, him actually, you know, he actually sort me out though.
Him actually sort you out? When actually do it?
Huh?
So no actually do it?
No, him do it. Me not do nothing. Me just cry.
Oh, because you never.
You understand? And all along in the day, yes. See if I basically let me cry for, you know.
Also, you never cry because I the sort out. You cry because it pain you to be doing this with this
exactly.
I want the backside. I want it. Tambourine. So wait, when the sort out a shot, you a ball, but him think you a ball.
Put on some cold ball and come say Jesus Christ. Suppose me did a couple weeks. After. Hold
on. What you are saying to me is, when you shot the sort out, because your fiance at that point, and you know, whatever it is, so you shot the sort out, you a ball. He must think you true, he must put it on wicked, make you a ball. But you a ball, and I say, what a depressing situation, I can't believe me gonna marry this.
Raga, in the morning you wake up now, the kiss and how was last night.
Sure.
You just start ball again.
If I laugh, I tremble.
The ball myself to sleep, Raga, and then morning we wake up and he wake me up.
So when him ask you, don't him ask you like, yeah, big man make girl ball last night. Yeah, all right. I saw him talk to you now.
Yes. I want this again.
Well, you come and say, yo, so you stay, but don't know, so I put it on for you wicked last night. Come and see it in a ball under the strength, you know. But you're ready for your next round. Right. So him be ready for your next round, no?
Yes, sir. That's what I'm ball extra again.
You just start ball again. Why?
I want to say, during that time, we actually, we buy a house and we're actually removing the things and stuff. And for 1 week, for the week, I'm going to go. Because I'm on Saturday. And for the whole week, we just stay in. We just not go nowhere. We couldn't eat. We couldn't sleep. We just stress out.
Okay.
We just stress out. I want to say, it was supposed to be the Wednesday, right? The wedding. And I want to say, I go away in Raga. I don't come back.
Well, on which day you going? The wedding was supposed to be the Wednesday, and which day you going?
This follow, I think the Saturday. Something like that, the Friday, Saturday at that time.
Yeah, so the wedding was a Wednesday, and you go about the Friday, Saturday. And when you go, you not come back?
I don't come back, Raga.
Miss Lady, where the backside did you go? Where you did go?
I went to Bahamas for 3 hours of vacation.
You went to where?
Bahamas.
What the backside? I run where?
Run.
Week. Then we.
Because at the time, if it was like a couple months before the invitations were given out, maybe one of those, no bother with it or so, but everybody plans for Raga, We just run a Raga, simple as that.
You just run a go Bahamas, no?
Just run a Raga, simple as that.
Then wait, or you go Bahamas, where you have links to Bahamas or something?
No, man, that's a hurricane thing.
But
I had some members there, but,
So you just go by yourself, so?
Yes.
Then how long you stay at Bahamas?
I think we come back March of the next year. When I think everything would have settled down and nobody knows me,
Hold on. So you go back. What month did you go? What month did you go, Bahamas?
It was supposed to be in November.
So you leave in November and you come back March of the next year?
Yes.
So when you're over there, you call your relative them and tell them, say, yo, you just couldn't bother with the wedding?
No, I don't call nobody. Because if I think about me, I don't see the good thing in my mind again, I start crying or something.
Okay, so every time you think about it and see you look up, it's a bit weenie, something, you just want ball.
Yes.
And I want sympathy ball, no?
Brother, I just saw myself, God, good answer me.
Okay, then tell me something. When you go Bahamas, you didn't do anything over there?
Me did try to kind of, but I guess what happened again, I find a good man. I think he was, black man and everything. But when you have brothers, I think me did too small at the time.
You did too small?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, me understand what you mean. So, you stay here now?
Well, I want to say 26 now, and all the time when I'm 24. I'm at 10, I don't have a man.
Well, on. So, from you do the thing with Tompa, you never do nothing else?
Nothing else.
But, so you've been taking care of yourself, though? You do things to yourself, right?
Yeah.
So wait, so from 26, you're 26 now, and basically the only experience you have at that time then when you do it with Tompa? So one time you do it?
Yeah.
With your fiance, with...
And just jump to it, consider yourself, you know?
Well, that is not too experienced. That is not too experienced.
No, normal people know.
No, him think him experienced, but he don't know if to do because small is relative, you know. If the man know him, I do him know if to take care of business. You understand what I'm saying? You understand? So it look like him never know if a patient, him never know if to take time.
Exactly.
Him
I
never
never want to tell him what happened.
I never want to tell him what happened. No, man, him should have know if it. Him should have nurse you in the head, man, and just properly fix you up with some proper rub down and deal with you properly and make you comfortable in your mind and seduce you with him voice and all these things and whatever and take him time and talk you through the thing them and tell you which part of your body you must relax and don't tense up and then roll your lower back and rub round there so make you chop. Oh Lord, man. Tell them from the time that you know do not. Listen to me, we have to work up something for you, you know. We have to say.
Well, because we come eating Christmas, but
what if a man a call, you know? But we don't give out people number. We have a number, obviously.
We don't want to because it's all about pretending. I'm in a fullness.
Okay.
I date guys, but
you say you're desperate, so you're ready, though. No.
I'm not telling you, because so you tap me.
Okay. But you ask you straight up, you look good?
Yes.
Okay.
Very.
Very? Okay.
Very, very.
Okay.
What people normally think, I'm a married type. And
yeah, what? The people normally think what?
No, that make me taking the married type.
So you're married type, when them see you, them things say what? Oh. No, man, if a man confident, him don't ever respond to that, you know. Because you see all my philosophy, when me I look woman, you see, if she want to tell me about her man, she would tell me. I ask her. At some point, she would tell me. If she feel it is important to tell me, she would tell me. If I move to her, I move to her. If I shimmer like, I move to her and step to her like that, you know. But anyway, then we have to read the news right you know. But so what you say, I got there mix up An Blenda.
I'll try, Raga.
No, you have to be there, darling.
I'll try, Raga.
But give me a radio name figure, you know.
My name Nikki.
That's your radio name, Nikki?
Yeah.
No, put something upon it, an adjective upon it or something.
Nikki Tompa.
Nikki Tompa. I like it. Nikki Tompa. That's the word, Nikki Tompa. You don't know, say you're in a family right and how we say ratings to the max, yeah?
Yeah, man, all right.
All right, you want the strength here. We're going to break people that are rinsing news right there. And big up Soldier Tompa out there. You protect the nation. But why? When all people look at him and say, boy, you gone biggie. Well, not really. Anyway, I will break this soon forward.
A mix up and blender time.
Yeah, welcome back of another Mix Up and Blenda something with me, the king of Mix Up, Ragashanti. Blessings and respect, is it? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What's up?
Not much, Raga. Where are you going?
They are give thanks, you know.
Raga, how many years the man them are calling?
Yeah, somebody are calling more and more lately, you know, but you have to give them a look at time.
Raga, I want to hear for them opinion on the topic. You want to hear too, you know?
You want to hear what man I do for keep, woman?
Yes.
Why that part they interested to you?
Because I want to know the things that them do. Because man no usually express certain things, you know.
Oh, okay.
So one them for come on, me even know me a woman, and I know what a woman will do for keep our man. But I want to hear them where the man them, the extent where them that got to for keep them woman.
All right, all of the thugs them out there, all of the real man them out there. You hear the woman call and say she want to know. You know the man them tell me say, Raga, John one more time I want to call in, you know. But you see when a woman will sit on patiently and work the phone and think to get whatever this and that. Sometimes when I'm not no patience to that dear sir.
See, like how them can call in otherwise and say, Raga, Ray, one if call in and say, Raga, this is what me do and this is the extent when me that go to for keep my woman if me have a good woman.
What you do for keep your man?
Raga, me just be myself.
You what?
Me just be myself.
Yeah, but what does being yourself entail?
Be loving, caring, and always do things for him that he doesn't expect. Like if me and him have an argument, we'll put on a nice, cook a nice dinner for him, and then candlelight. And just put on one little something and then when him come in, him surprised because I'm not expect that.
Okay, so you're saying one of the important things is to always make sure say you do these unexpected things, unexpected nice things for your partner. That helps to solidify and keep a relationship going. That one day is very important, you know.
Yeah, because when I'm feeling my night, I must have look, me go to me and I'm having an argument. Him not coming to expect that.
Hey, you ever hear when some people are swear for them woman or swear for them man and whatever, and most of the time when them bring up some things where them find important or where them keep and whatever, it's always, it's always some little thing. You say, oh, she, no man, she does do some things that no other woman not do for me. Me nah left her. You know them look over there. Me nah left her. No man, the way she roll with me and the way no other woman move like she. You understand what I say?
Exactly, Raga. So you just do some things to surprise him. And then sometimes you don't know him appreciating it, but sometimes you will go talk to your friend them about it.
Yeah.
And then you friend them to the response when you friend them again. I say, boy, you know, for take care of your money.
Yeah.
You know, say, what you do at work, but some man not really come out and say, boy, baby, I like what you do for me, you know. So what them not really come out and tell you that.
Okay.
So that's why I want them to call and tell we, because we are come out and express what we are do. Me want them to come out and express what them are do too.
See it there.
Because we want to know if them want, like we that say, boy, I'm not come out and say, no, say me that we go to the extent like me that buy her nice rose or me that carry the place here or me that do this or me that do that. I mean, sometimes if me tell you that the woman them a come on and I tell see them side of the story. Why you the man them too?
All right, that's our word, man. All right, you sound out. And the man them who listen probably I say, you know, so we're going to call in and make them know.
Yeah, right up.
Okay, to the phone line to go. Good afternoon. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Hello?
Hi.
I'm calling about the first girl there.
Yes.
It's hard to believe that she's a virgin.
You don't believe her?
No.
You think she tell lie?
She's a liar, man.
Okay.
Man.
Yeah, why you think that she a liar?
A woman and her virginity, any size is big for her.
When it comes to a woman and her virginity, any size is big for her?
Yes. If you put a pin in it, it hurt you.
You as a woman, I tell you, so when it comes to a woman and her virginity, any size is big for her.
You know me feel?
What you feel?
She's played with herself a long time.
Oh!
Yeah.
Tambourine! You feel that she has service herself
long time. She stretch it out.
No, careful. We can't.
Yeah, man, me know. Stretch on a bad word.
Well, yeah. But not a bad word, but the context, them not really.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
it's well used.
So you think that it has been
well used?
It has been the road has been well traveled.
Let me tell you,
the road has been well traveled by herself.
The Lord find that man for her, and she never wait.
The Lord find that man for her, and she never what?
That's the man. Fear man that, and because she diss him, she went change.
No. I think that is damn foolishness you just saying. You know why? That woman, listen to me, even though she's a virgin, you know, or she was a virgin, like she said she was. So I could just go with what she said. Remember, I say you have some woman really see the picture of them and watch blues and all them something.
Yeah, but
so them have an idea what is what. We're going to hold it for them in the long run.
What she want.
Yeah,
she want. Me don't know what she want because me know.
No. I'm not disagreeing what you're saying. As a woman, you're saying when a woman is a virgin.
You're tight, you know.
Yeah, man. We know not going into detail about that part. Well, what I say, you're saying when a woman is a virgin, anything going to be painful.
Anything going to be painful.
All right, and I agree with you. No, I agree with you. But what I'm saying is, there is still room to think that if a woman has seen, for example, pictures of a diversity of instruments owned by men, then she does have some idea what the average is.
She's crazy.
And if she sees something that look like Tompa, she go and know she
looking at her little finger and it still look big.
I know, but I'm still saying it's possible for a woman who is not active to look at something and say, no, some no things me must go married and spend the rest. No. You see, you are lucky thing down in the virgin thing alone, you know. Me, I say it's possible for she say, is this a man I want to go married and spend the rest of my life with?
You know me say,
what?
She's still with him for life and she's still, I still pain.
And you say even she stay with him for life, it's just still pain.
And I still pain. My foolishness here, chat.
No, can I just submit to you though that I have read that how do I put it? Let me just say, I have read that no two persons is the same, you know.
Once you're a virgin, you're a virgin.
No. I'm going to say something to you now and follow me now because I'm going to quote it up.
Mm-hmm.
I have read that you have situations where women will do very little and it, you know, them, you know, they have a generous amount of space. And then you have other situations where a woman would just go every day and she's a non-stop whatever and hardly any space. What I'm just saying is biology. It's biology.
Started out with. It depends.
Yes, that can play, but I'm just saying that genetics plays a role here also, where you know, in many instances you can't really predict it like that. You understand what I try to say without saying it?
I agree with you.
Okay, no, well, listen, you're the authority on this, you're a woman,
yes.
So you're going to know about this more than me. But here's the interesting thing, though. You can speak convinced upon this in terms of your experience and what your girlfriend's telling you. I remember doing, me a man, and I have been around the block a couple of times, and we talk to people, so we have our perspective on it. The point is, it could well be the case that I have interacted with more of those than you have. True or false? Just by being a man,
Virgins?
and you know.
Virgins?
No, just in general, may I say?
Oh, me not talk about in general. I'm not talking about virgins, no.
But what I'm saying, no, me not dispute what you're saying, or that. From, you know, do not, it's a heart. Like you say, if it's a pin, it's a pin.
And the fact that she started out with a thumper.
With a thumper.
She's going to grow old with the thumper and it's still going to pain her.
No, but I'm saying, no, you are.
After children.
No,
maybe.
what I'm saying is, you're saying that from, and I'm not, I don't think you understand me, come and say you're wrong, you know. I'm just saying that, basically you're saying that could be the case. That could happen. Where she started out with him and Thumper just hold it because at him she started and at him she steered and not never.
Yeah.
But what I'm also saying to you, you know, remember that this thing, you know, people think that sex is mostly physical and mental. Sex is mostly mental than physical, particularly for women, you know. She could have just said that me and said to you, and it just broke her voice from what she exposed and what she knew about. You know, and you make a good point. Suppose she has been servicing herself, right?
She do it.
Well, if she has been servicing herself, chances are she was growing. Well, chances are she was growing with the self-servicing, you know, and she graduated to some healthier to some healthier dimensions.
She messed up herself
with her servicing, and then she probably see that. She probably see that and say, "Then that me I gonna take and me they had used this for myself."
She never waited.
So it's probably a good point here. But the point I make though, you said she probably a service herself, right? All right then. If she did a service herself, and I build the thing, and I grow in the thing, and I use extra in the thing, don't it make sense then? Give it that she know where she a use for herself. If she see that she gonna say, but that not gonna do me nothing. Don't it possible? Don't it possible? If she use a dildo and vibrator and she know the size where she a use, and she see that, don't it possible? She see that and say, then that not gonna do me nothing. I me don't know where me I use already. You understand? Don't it?
The children gonna come after.
You're right, and at that point, and she make it clear that sex is very important.
That's why she should have wait.
No.
But don't miss story.
No. Well, man, because what me I say is that if she see this will lead to non-stop unhappiness, then she has a right not to put herself in it. That is what me I say. I think it was an empowered move on her part. No, but can't see what you say you dispute certain things with whatever, but me, I don't think there's anything wrong as a woman look at a man instrument and say that is non-stop total unhappiness for the rest of my life. Me nah go there so. No.
Yeah,
you understand? You understand? All right, let's say a word here.
Love you, good.
Yeah, man, blessing. Interesting point. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, what's up?
Raga Walkman.
What day I want it to know?
Shaanie good this.
Who this?
Shaanie good.
Shaanie good.
Yeah.
Okay, Shaanie good. So what you say now?
Why am I there in a rag? I'm walking to tell my man.
Hold on, is that man this?
Yeah, a man chopping to a woman body.
Oh, you're a man chopping to... You know, so when you say Shaanie good, me think you was a woman.
No, rather, me a man.
You're a man chopping a woman body?
But me have woman organs.
You're a man with woman organs?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you say now, Shaanie good? Are you an hermaphrodite?
No, not really, Raga, not yet. Probably shortly.
You're in the process of getting a sex change?
Yeah, shortly.
How shortly?
But next year, April.
But next year, April, you'd be what?
I'll be a female.
You'd be
I'll read vagina, yeah.
No, okay, nobody
you know,
all right then. So you're a man right now and you're going through sex change process to become a female?
Yeah.
Okay, then when them do that, them have to cut off anything?
More like in a raga, I think so.
So, and why you going through this sex change now?
Because I'm a lady, raga.
Because you're a what?
I'm a lady.
You're a lady?
Yeah.
And you were born a man, but you know deep down, so you're a lady?
Yes, raga.
Okay, so what you do so you have man right here now?
Yes, raga, then I must raga, me young and fresh, you know, me not feeling raga.
Okay, no, me just ask, me not say nothing, whatever, but young and fresh, so how old are you?
Yeah, 21, raga.
You're 21 and you're young and fresh and you have man. How much man you have?
One man for 4 years now.
One man you're there with for 4 years now. You never get a man the bond with the next man. They talk it to Shaanie good.
About 3 times, raga, me not like about 3 times.
You're born in 3 times. With other man or whatever. Okay, so what you do to keep your man right now?
Raga, I'm not saying raga. I'm do the things. I'm not next girl or next man come take him.
Okay. You don't want a next girl or a next man come take him, so you have to do the things.
No, I'm do the things.
Okay, so when you and you know, I'm glad you have make sure so you know say certain things by radio. But when you say do the things, you mean like you have to do the sort out things.
Yeah, properly, raga, properly.
Oh, so you're bad pan them thing there?
Bad.
You're good pan them thing there? Good. All right.
Excellent.
So what else you doing? Excellent. So what else you do to keep your man now, Shaanie good?
I wash, cook and clean.
You do what?
Wash, cook and clean, raga.
You wash, cook and clean?
Yeah, and take care of him.
Oh, you take care of him?
Him work and carry the money come.
Him work and carry the money come, and you, what you do? You stay home and
I feel like I come here and do things.
You play with Dolly and what?
Come Dolly here and something there.
And come Dolly, if you look a bit, you play with Dolly here and whatever this and that?
Yeah.
So if you look a bit, you saw?
Yes, raga.
Okay. Me see what you say right now. Then tell me something you know. When you start take man, give it that you was born a man. When you... For you what?
12.
You're a 12-year-old boy and you start take man?
Yes, raga.
Then you see they rape you?
No, raga, I'm eager the man.
Listen to me. Any 12-year-old, hold on, any 12-year-old who cannot talk about them again.
Raga, the boy was my age, raga.
The what?
He was my age.
Hold on.
I'm a classmate.
Hold on, when you were 12-year-old, when you were a 12-year-old boy, you get another 12-year-old boy Sato?
Yeah.
Hold on. Are you step to him or him did so too?
Me step to him, raga, come to like him.
You step to him and they like him. So what want to do them something in a school?
In a school bathroom, raga.
In a school bathroom?
Yeah.
No, but with all due respect, you know, say a whole heap of people that listen to you and I hear say a 12-year-old, you as a 12-year-old boy, you didn't have sex with another 12-year-old boy in a school. And them in shock right now and them feel it and I say, boy, this should never have happened to you or that boy. What you have to say to them people, you know?
Who for say? What for say? Who for say? I'm an age group, I know I'm a big man.
But that is not the point. The 12 and 12-year-old, you should not do that.
No, wrong with that, raga.
And then after you do that with him, now, what happened after? Well, you just did not do it after that. You didn't do it enough after that?
I really like it, Raga. I like it. It feels nice.
You didn't like it? Okay.
Yeah.
And you just realized it. So at that time...
Enjoy the ambiance.
You kill Michelle area, you kill Michelle area. Well, no, but Mr. people are listening to you now and hear you are born as a man and at 12 years old you sleep
No, Raga, I mean, the woman like a man.
No, but I say you were born as a man. Tell me something, you're something where you're born with that gone already?
It's rather small, it's too gone, rather. It's about 1 inch, so it's too gone.
Okay, it was a... Okay, so what you mean it's soon gone? Or it's going to go away? 1 inch is still 1 inch?
Operation in Miami.
You're going to do the operation in Miami?
Yeah.
And you're going to do the sex... Fort Lauderdale. Well, Fort Lauderdale above Miami. Okay. And so you're going to do the sex change where a whole heap of man have done because them say them are really woman. You're going to do that too?
Yeah. That'll be the first transgender in Jamaica.
You're going to be the first what?
The first transgender in Jamaica.
Transgender in Jamaica. And that is for people who has essentially transcended from one gender to the other gender and something. So you're convinced you're a woman?
Yes, Raga.
Then when them do all that change, you know, it's going to set up a way where you can, when you not do the things, you can bounce it like a woman.
Yes, Raga.
So what that means? So you're going to move to front now from back?
Yes, Raga.
How about the backside? Why don't you stay up on the radio the back while I break? How about the backside? Stay up on the radio while I break. We soon forward. Yeah, man. Well, come back in our program here with me, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti. We're talking to our brother here. We're going to be a transgender and basically born as a man, but him say he was a woman trapped in a man body. So he's in the process of, getting surgery and the different things, which is fairly common now in the United States to the man them who want to change over into a woman. The surgery is actually fairly common and so forth. So I'm saying I'm going to start out film thing because I'm a woman. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, Raga, I'm there.
Hey, so you said that you know who your man who you're there with now. You're there with him for 4 years.
Yes, Raga.
But tell me something, I know. If the man who you're there with, a man him love, that's why I'm there with you. When you turn a woman, him not gonna let you go there with a man?
No, Raga. I'm have way more.
Yeah, okay, you have way more.
Yeah.
So wait, is this just a really sort out thing in terms of the relationship?
Huh?
In terms of the relationship, what is that somebody you love, right?
Yes, Raga.
4 years.
But 4 years now.
Why you love him? Why you love him? Why you love him? Why you love him?
Raga.
What about him make you love him? Him what?
In cute, Raga. In hardworking, well educated. In know to start out properly, Raga.
Him what?
Him know him stuff in a bed, Raga.
Him know him stuff in a bed, him cute, and what else?
Well educated, hardworking and thing and whatever.
So in mind you good up and then sitting there. No, hold on. Wait, they say Pond the River here.
All right, Raga, yes, Pond the River, Pond the Bank.
So you wear Pond the River, Pond the Bank?
Yeah.
Are you wear the other one when you ride that on?
Yeah.
Okay. So what you say? No, hold on, where you want to read it? Tell them turn off the radio.
We don't know what, Raga. I'm in my living room sitting, Raga. I'm ready to turn off.
Okay, all right. So what may I say? What you say you wear pumps too?
Yes, Raga.
So you ever dress up like a woman and go out with him?
Yes, Raga. We go style and quad and be a Tingz.
Well, you go silent and quad as a woman and people don't know say you're a woman, though?
No, Raga.
There's some people don't know say you're a real woman, Raga. What do people think? Well, you go silent and quad and people think you're a real woman, don't?
Yes, Raga. It is Raga. If I want a real woman, Raga, I'm nice. Say one little girl. Yeah, Raga.
You feel one little girl?
Yeah.
Okay, then tell me something, you know. At this moment, because I'm me say mix up, you know. When you go silent and quad, you know, the man, them look down to a woman, or then come up behind the woman and wind up on him. That ever happened to you?
No, Raga. I mean, a man, Raga, and another man can't step to me.
Oh, when you go, you and your man go.
Yeah.
And no other man can step to him to join that?
No, Raga, it's crazy.
Okay, so you can dance good on them, something there?
Yes.
And you dance like woman?
Raga, I'm doing everything, Raga.
You can dance better than Shibara?
Yes, Raga, Shibara can't dance at me, I understand, yeah?
What you say a while ago, what?
Shibara can't dance at me, Raga.
Shibara cannot dance like you?
No.
Are you run the dancing? Shibara for what you dance?
Yeah.
Tell me something. What go on in terms of the gay community? We have no one party and all them something, but do we not have drag party to one them something there?
Everything, Raga. We have Miss World, Dancehall Queen, everything.
What about that? So wait, we have Miss World and Dancehall Queen. So in the Miss World competition, we want to do like evening wear and then bathing suit.
Everything, Raga, everything, evening wear.
You know say a liar tell me. You know a liar tell me.
I'm not like Raga.
So we all the Miss World competition go. What want to do in that? What?
You're the talent piece. You come in evening wear, you're gone. You answer the question, everything, Raga.
I want to do talent piece to and them something there.
Everything, Raga, everything.
And then the crown winners and all them thing there.
Yeah.
So in the Miss World competition, I really be a man who
be a man, Raga, be a man, no woman allowed.
No woman allowed. But I be a man who have the woman in them, though.
Yes, Raga.
I want to enjoy myself and then sitting there, though.
Yeah.
I want to have one gay party too regularly and them.
Everything, Raga, everything. Every weekend, Raga, everything, every weekend.
Okay. So would you say that Jamaica have a very strong and active gay community?
Yes, Raga.
Okay, but you know, kind of hold on the thing then because whatever, though.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me something. I will leave a big shot people in a gay thing.
Raga, you know, Mr. Raga.
No, me asking you a question because I'm going to ask about ghetto people too. But I just want to know, I will leave a big shot people in a gay thing.
I don't know, Raga.
You don't know?
No, I know what me, Raga.
You know about you. What to ghetto? I will leave a ghetto man in a gay thing.
I don't know, Raga.
I will if I get a woman I get thing.
Raga, you know mix for Raga.
Me not mix, so me ask you a question. Eh? Oh, you're not answer. You're not answer that. So eventually you and your, when you say you're going to be the first transgender in Jamaica, you're going to live here with your man or you're going to go over Florida to live?
Raga.
You know, all right, you say Jamaica, you're going to live as a woman.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you ever see yourself at any point being comfortable coming out and saying, me and this, me and that, publicly, openly, with TV?
Yes, Raga, I always did, Raga, and I don't care if they like me or hate me. I don't care.
Okay, you're going to just come out and just talk of the things. So you're not afraid? No. You're not afraid?
I'm afraid of nothing, Raga.
You're not afraid of nothing? So what you do to defend yourself? Like when you all walk on the road and you know say certain things could have reached you and all them something?
My class, I want, but Raga, I walk my 3-star ratchet.
You walk with your what?
My 3-star ratchet.
With your 3-star ratchet? Are you class them and go on bad when they run off them out by your door?
Yes, Raga.
Okay. What you think is the future of gay people in Jamaica in terms of it? What is the objective in terms of gay life in Jamaica? What do you want to reach?
Well, Raga, honestly, Raga is that. They must accept it and then Raga because every day at least 10 somebody come out to born to BK or come out to BK. Okay. So don't just accept it and then Raga. It's not going to change.
So the gay thing not change. Them the people who think say them can't get rid of that, them they just forget about it and just we say them for those low gay people.
Exactly, Raga.
Okay. All right then, Papa. But you don't tell you what you do to keep your man, you wash, cook and clean, so you can't wash good.
Yes, Raga.
You when you wash
yourself?
No
washing machine. You use my hand, Raga. No washing machine.
You use your hand. So when you wash, you go scripts too?
Yes, Raga. Raga, my lady never made understand you.
Your lady. Yeah. So it's like to me, I get it twisted and me I go like me an idiot. Me I ask some idiot question, no? Because if you're a lady, you're a lady.
Yes, Raga.
Okay. And you know, so your man have 4 years now left you. Well educated and being because you're good like that. Right. Yeah, you have the Afitania for your man, don't it?
Mm-hmm. See, I have the grip back, Raga.
You have the grip back. Backside, you know, the grip. What you call it, the grip back?
Yes, Raga.
Okay. All right, Papa. Me can't call you Papa. What am I do? All right, Miss Lady, though.
Yes, Raga, that better.
Oh, that better. I say, all right, Miss Lady. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Go and do your thing, yeah. All right, Papa.
All right.
Yeah, man, protection. Eh? Papa G. Hey, I tell you, say, as a look man, then go to the club, them and love running in a real gangster, them, you know. Love running, you know. Remember me tell you, me say Bill and Pre. Bill and Pre. Because you never know what is what. Papa Jesus. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yes, Ragashanti.
Whoa.
Oh, go on.
They are king.
Real man. The girl that called yesterday is to go to them friend them.
Yeah.
Yeah, and she get caught with a man.
Yeah.
Right now that the girl make a wrong move still, you know.
She made several wrong moves, but which one you are referring to?
The one that go to them friend them yesterday, man.
No, I say which one are the move them you say she make you say wrong, right?
When saying him go to the man and a man our friend line up a man pan him when never know about.
Right. So when you say, when she make the first wrong move then?
I say right now the move where make and say boy say he didn't something them wrong still, you know.
The move where make and say what?
He move that way make and tell him man still him wrong.
You as a man I say she shouldn't go tell her man what happened.
Yeah, never did tell him.
Why she shouldn't tell her man? She got born her man and you as a man I say the woman born her man and she got tell her man. You as a man I say she shouldn't go tell her man. Why?
Yeah, I say him shouldn't tell him man still because him come like him not brave in our system still.
Oh, she?
Yeah.
Oh, me see what you say.
Yeah, man, him not brave in our system. You see me I say?
But she's trying to be honest and respectful and her conscience to that bite her and she got give her man bun and she got tell her man, you know, and she tell him the truth because it did a bite her and the way she relate to him and whatever, you know, she low up the thing and him a pick up say something wrong and what. So she just tell him the truth because, and she said after she tell him the truth, she didn't feel better because she finally get it off her conscience.
Okay.
But what about that? Is that you still not agree? Say she should have tell him?
Well, I'm not feeling should I tell him still, you know, kind of about the man away still, you know.
You talk about?
More about the man away still, you know, should I tell him still?
So if you have a woman and she born you don't want she tell you?
Yeah, me don't want him tell me still.
You don't want she tell you?
Yeah, man.
But why you say she shouldn't tell him then?
Well, I know say when a man do certain things it kind of hurts still away still. You see me I say?
Yeah, but me always ask a question, you know.
Yeah.
You don't want your woman tell you lie and make you stay happy than to tell you the truth and it's going to mash up your meds?
Well...
Which one you prefer? Your woman to tell you a lie and you stay happy than if she tell you the truth and it just mash you up. Which one you prefer?
Me da rather tell me the truth still.
So you'd rather she tell you the truth and it mash you up?
Yeah, man.
Then that she do?
I say move to him the same, to him I only move till him only move wrong still.
What she should I do right? What she should I do differently?
I set him friend them set him up.
Of course. In fact, somebody made a very important point and I want to articulate it. She could have actually been drugged with the date rape. She could have actually been given the date rape drug too.
Yeah.
Because if you hear she say she can't tell the size or nothing what happened throughout the whole sex.
Yeah.
You understand? So she could have been drugged and the person made the point say and the man come from foreign too and them think they come on a foreign, you know, the date rape drug, you know, that's why. And it quite common out here too. I have to tell people, I know that's foreign do it. You understand? It quite common out here, that's why you have to be careful when you drink from people. You understand? And some woman I talk about them not drink nothing when them go club and don't know say it's very often a man who them trust, and them just give them a one drink and slip it in there and whatever, and them lose their mind and think that them all that. Me I hear woman get drunk and I think she turn on them, they turn on wicked. Them don't even know what going on. You understand? So she could have been drunk too. She could have been drunk.
Yeah.
But you see, my thing with her, she made the wrong move because fam, she have a friend and the friend know her man. And the friend, I got set her up on a man. In the way the friend do it, I thought, but she got pick up something and then I push her on a man. And all them look away there.
That me I say.
Because more time a girlfriend, we say, my girl, I know you have your man enough, but go talk to that man, and take this from him or whatever. And boom, boom. I never saw it was done in a kind of betrayal way, a manipulative way. You understand?
Yeah.
I said them set her up, man, and she could have get joke for true.
That me I say look like a set-up thing still.
No, man, I don't look like it was a setup.
Yeah, and him can't hold out, more after the still him, man.
Exactly. But you say you kind of confused about the thing because on one level you say she shouldn't tell the man, and on the next level you say, boy, if I mean me, that one here. You see how the thing confusing.
Really?
All right, let's say a word here.
Yeah, man, no watch that, man.
Manners, man. Bless up. To the phone lines, we got good afternoon. Hello.
Yes, Raga.
What's up?
What's up, Raga?
The day I give thanks, where you there, pa?
I'm stunting at the place.
Brap. Stunt in the building. What you say, stunt?
I want to tell them how to hold them, man, Raga.
Stunt, come talk to you now. Tell the woman them how them must hold them, man. What them need for do for hold them, man. Talk up, stunt.
First thing, you see, Raga?
Yeah.
When them cook, you have to give your man no big drinks and you have to give him the pot water for the food. Because everything boil out in the pot water.
What?
You understand? And pot water make the man them go eat furlong when they used to go too. You have to make sure it's a pumpkin in it and sweet potato. You understand?
When you say them thing they build stamina? Eh?
Them thing they build stamina. In the first time days, the man they never didn't, they use no woman, no, they just the pot water, and since somebody now drink the pot water, I get Raga. You know, see, everybody have to run to woman's store. They never did know that.
So at the pot water,
right.
Them need for drink the pot water after food when them cook it?
Yes, because of the best part that Raga and everything in a hit and pumpkin, the stamina and sweet potato, and them don't know that.
Okay, pumpkin and sweet potato. All right, and then what else?
Yes. No, I know when you have intercourse with your man, it's Raga.
Yeah.
You know, if you just eat dead, if you just make a little sexy soul, like, all in like something that give the man more vibes and this. You know what I mean, Raga?
Yeah, I know, but don't you ever hear about some woman that overdo it and it sound fake?
Yeah, because the fear. When you overdo it, it sounds fake. When you feel something nice and the man go on nice, and you have to make you like a sexy sound and turn on the man there.
So like what kind of sound the woman them for make when them do it? So in other words, them can't just dead so. Them have to make sound look so. What kind of sound?
No, I have to romance him and Tony man Raga.
No, wait, what kind of sound? What kind of sound the woman them for make? What kind of sound them for make?
You know, you get a while ago, Raga.
No, what tell me back? Like what kind of sound them for?
Like you say, like you have to do it with passion, Raga.
Do it, yeah.
You understand?
Okay. And then why else, and
you have to dance for your man.
Dance for your man, because sometimes you tell a woman dance or whatever. Them no want to do them purposes. Some of them bossy woman and them not them that.
The woman have to strip naked, whether your belly flap over or your breast long, the man no watch that. Just dance, see him and you lay down on him back, you give him a nice drink in the bed. And so you look funny, you want to know if he might enjoy, you see the map tick go up and go up. You see the map tick in the air, and really enjoy.
You can't know when you see the map stick go up, because you know, so you connect right there. So
I know this time, the map stick.
The map stick.
You understand?
All right, you see it. And then, so apart from sex and sort out now, what else them need for do for keep? What else woman need for do for keep them, man?
Do not knock the man. Do not hear everything and tell the man. Man don't want to hear them do something. And buy the man like a cheap gift or something. When the man give a money, spend back something upon him.
Do not knock the man.
Yes.
Do not go back to the man.
Do not search him phone.
Do not search him phone. So
if you search him, not take him nagging, not make him know.
Not make him know. If okay, better if you not do it. But if you do it, don't make him know, so you do it. Okay.
Don't make him know.
And then, what you say now, when the man give him money, spend back the money upon the man.
Spend back, not care if I ever want cheap kerchief.
Yeah, just buy him back some little thing, make him feel nice and say you care about me, I think.
Yeah, you cut him toenail, clean out his ears, and you understand,
yeah.
And you know, whisper.
Clean out his ears, with what? Why you use clean out his ears?
Like, you know, as you do something the cotton bud and something with that, you know, so you're interested. I know the big things, you know, Raga, the little things.
Yes, the little. But I always tell people that, you know, at the end of the day, the little things really, really matter, you know, man. So them need for the more.
Raga, do not big man things.
No, man, explain out that one there for me. Explain it.
You know, see, everything you see you want, you they go beg the man. If you turn off the man, you better you go on like, lad, me see something I me like, you see, and then the man, you know, say I want, you want. But if you see this, you want that chain, you want that shoes, and want everything, you turn off the man because I know you alone you have.
But what if I she alone the man have?
Still no begging me. Man not like that.
Man don't like beggy woman.
No.
You know, I can totally agree with you right there, sir. I do not like beggy woman, you know. That's right, you know, that the way you just make some woman don't even know how to get things on the man without begging. You understand? Right. And some of them, even when them try move smooth, it still is a turn off. You know? When you call them, want me to you? Or you sound something, I just had some stress. Or your son want me to you? That's some stress. That's how I know exactly where it's going. Then what? Why am I telling the landlord and me catch up a while ago, man? The landlord and me catch up a while ago. I can't take him in a while. I tell him, me don't have the money right now. You know what's the argument I put to me why he want to start out? I mean, not give me not go start out for the man. I don't know how me I go manage and thing. And me, you see, when they know what I go on, there's some, I say, boy, that wicked money. But you just work it out as best as you can, yeah. BMJ just go and do your thing, yeah, whatever, yeah. Me, you think me have a volunteer, and she think then smooth, and then they walk and say, you mean that time I style and I splash you. You understand?
Yeah. Sometimes again, you have to write a man a little love letter, send him a little love text and then things.
Surprise him with a little love text, don't it?
Yeah, if he even stress out and he read, he just smile, and that made him there.
Yes, man.
I know what I can tell your man, you must tell a friend and start, you're good on do this and do that. And you know,
hold on, stop right there. So why a woman must do that? Why a woman must walk and go tell her friend how her man start her out good? Why?
The friend I go get jealous, Raga, and want to go start out the man too, and then trouble I go make and hear, say and this and that.
No, but a lot of ladies will tell us that them friend would never do that.
No, sir. Me not trust nobody but myself.
See it there? You know, it says a regular thing come up on the show right here because all what they with it, I deal with it, you know. Like, me don't know walk one, and what if a friend I take friend man and walk one, and it's happening on the woman's side, we don't know walk one. We not absorb the men, them have the responsibility, you know. We just say, we see the thing with the outer road, we ease up on the ground, we know a walk go down. A crazy thing are going out there. I mean, always I tell woman, when things are going good between you and your man, don't quick for run, go tell everybody, because you have some bad mind, evil people out there. Want to mash up your thing. You understand?
Yes.
But at the same time, if the friend asks about the man and them not giving details, them can't actually say, no, I'm satisfying me and I'm happy with him and so forth. Them can't do that because they don't want them to disrespect the man.
Yes, yes. All right. You know, it's good, it's all right.
And just leave it there, sir.
But when I go tell him, Lord, give me this, he said, Mr. Then get jealous. I said, well, I want to try it too. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, when I tell him, say, he make your eyes tap out and all them little thing there. And then while Shadow stunt, while Shadow. And you know the man, them licky and turn already. Them no pardon nothing.
Who that?
The man, them, if your friend come and look you over, you know, then turn it done in a Raga.
Say that again. Eh?
Me say if your friend come and look a man, the man and Tony don't kind of want sample it too.
Okay.
And when he nicer than for you know, he might go speak to the friend and he not go want you, whether you remote car sit.
You see it. Chat too much.
You chat too much.
See it. What stunt you look like? Then stunt, with all due respect, I know. Then you know how to keep a man?
They know most Raga. And the bed work is very important, but it's other little gifts and the other little something.
See what I go on there, so the pot water work and I do the things.
Bad Raga, try it. If you go yet for long, you drink, you got 10.
But it depends on what the pot water cook, though, you know.
Yes, but you have to put pumpkin in there and sweet potato. Then say, sweet potato kill mapstick. I know the potato or the bud.
Sweet potato kill mobs, but you say it's not the potato, it's the bud.
It's the potato bud.
The potato bud. Me hear that talk there already.
It's the potato bud.
And is it true that banana for boil with the skin on it, you know, with pot water too?
Yes, because all the iron is in it, all the nutrients, everything in the skin. So you peel off the skin and that show no raga. Everything just gone, so.
Okay, come here, so if you want the pot water for shot, if you cut and slice the banana where you go peel it, but don't peel it off and just boil the banana.
When them cook manish water, so they do it with the skin because they want it strong.
Yes, them leave the banana skin on it and whatever. But you say them things they really are going to make the countryman then can do the things them especially.
You know, that me I tell you, you know.
So you say pumpkin.
All them know they can't do nothing wrong, me I beg them to try and see.
Pumpkin, sweet potato, and then wild sweet, banana with the skin. And then why?
Because the boom. You see the boom with Raga and the stone, it only going to make you strong now and you reach couple years, you don't have no use of this drop back so.
Oh, so it just give an immediate effect, but in the long term, it's not good for you.
Like, Raga.
Yeah.
One man one time I was funny friend and said, Lord, me do 5 last night. He asked his friend so much, his friend say 1. Then he come and say, me do 4. His friend so much you do. He said the same 1. Then one night he come again and say, Lord, me can't do none. His friend saying to him and say, what you do? His friend say, same 1. He if me know me follow you.
Okay, you see it there?
He does take things until he does fade out.
Tell me, Stone, you have one girl on Facebook, and her name is Ugly Betty Sutherland. Ugly Betty Sutherland. And she has said, you hear what she has said? No mean man without finance, boy, no come on my yard broke. She said she not stop beg money. So she's a little beggy girl, don't she?
She's a team, she not gonna reach now.
She not gonna reach.
When she get the money, she put it to use.
What you say a while ago, what?
One day for her to get the money, she put it to use.
No, but we don't even know if it even show up on her. She named Ugly Betty Sutherland. What you say she not reach nowhere?
She not reach nowhere.
Is a beggy girl. And she
right. Continue change man like taxi.
She got change man like taxi. What else going to happen to this girl I know, Stone? Tell me.
She not, Raga?
Yeah.
I know, she got long like buggy whip, and when she bend down, she pick up gravel and she don't have nothing to show time.
I'm married. No, she got long like what?
Like buggy whip, and when she bend down, she TP, it got pick up gravel.
It got pick up. Say no more. That is your verdict for Ugly Betty Sutherland who is on Facebook. Thank you, Stone. You take care here.
Yes, sir.
All right, Stone. Boss. All right, I know. Say that Ugly Betty Sutherland, she condemn for the future.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello?
Well, that's what I know. Say, yeah, long distance, too long. You know, long near we.
No say a word, babes. So I go down here now.
Raga?
Yeah.
Chumre in the bathroom, no, you know, put me a long time. Chumre, I'm a host. You can't hear me, and hear the echo.
No, man, I say a word, man. I say a word. Everything.
Yeah, I'm Buck Tour this. Give myself a reading name, Buck Tour.
Your name Buck Tour?
Yeah, mommy Buck, I'm a tour over St. William's grandpa.
See there.
Yeah, you remember?
Yeah, man, remember now.
Mix up, big up my mother.
Yeah.
The dreams, the man, I rape her in and she get out the man now. I get out the man now. When she wake up, my father.
When?
My father start her in her sleep.
I don't even know if I was laughing at this, you know.
No, I see that thing.
Your mother was dripping that a man was assaulting her. And she a fight and a fight in the dream. And then only if you realize that when she wake up, I hear her father give it to her.
Yeah, him say, I try to wake she now wake him touch it.
All right, then we can't go into details about that one.
No, we're not going to details, because that's what she tell me. She's never going into details with me.
Okay, so she had dreams she a man a sexually assault her and wake up and I hear her father and deal with it. Okay, fascinating.
Raga, you know they must officially introduce me to the welcoming to the Tambourine family because I've called it all while with Mixup and me call about the dummy. Remember the dummy?
No, man, hold on. You see, the Tambourine family is not just the callers, you know, it's also the listeners.
I am on fan wall. I've been talking on it from morning, from your command, I'm on Mixup wall.
Hold on. You know, hear what I say, you know. I say from the minute you listen to the show, you're in the Tambourine family.
Oh.
You're in the Tambourine family.
Officially send me in.
Okay, then if you officially send for everybody, right, I know you can imagine how much busy. You can imagine how much busy, because you know the tens of thousands of people who listen to that show about the place. No, man, would have busy like, whoa. But let's say our word still, man, everything jiggy same, man. I was a real things to you, kind of left out the thing, you ever support you and things, so we give thanks.
I don't have tone too.
You don't have tone when? The 15th, Wednesday. Yeah, man. Uncle Desi and the KSAC shot them thing, them grand markets up this Wednesday. And you know, so we had the broadcast down there, so people can roll out on it done. You got to mix up and blend that Christmas, National Arena.
Man.
That's a go mad, man.
I tell you all them to me, man, more than all of them.
No, man, we're going to go on with the things, man. You know, so we keep it real, you know, in our house.
That me you have to see.
What? Which one?
With the red carpet.
No, man, the red carpet, the mix-up red carpet, I'm going to talk about. Because we're going to dare the woman them for walk out on the red carpet.
Yeah, well, ladies start say.
What?
Since you select that, tell you walk out.
Well, we're not say the other part. We're not going to say the other part. But no, it's going to get sticky. It's going to get sticky on some people.
Real.
It's going to get sticky. You can't imagine when all a dirty mix up man like me going to say, yo, any woman when in the place have a man a sweat you don't know, so you never want to take money from him and him not get nothing. Walk out on the carpet, right, you know. And you see all a woman step out and a boy, it start to hurt him, a man, so man.
Yeah, Raga, me name good to stay on the wall.
What your name, what?
Good to stay.
Good to stay. All right, let's say a word here. All right, then blessings and respect here.
Yeah, man.
All right. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
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 Rago?
Yeah, man. What's up? Yeah.
First time listener?
Well, first time caller.
First time caller. Long time listener. You're doing a good job.
All right, then. Thank you so much. What's going on?
I'm not going to stay on the program.
Oh, you're not going to stay?
No. Not going to stay on the program.
Oh, you just called to say that?
I just called to big you up, man. You're doing a very good job.
Oh, thank you so much.
You every day.
That's very sweet of you to take the time to do that. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I appreciate that gives me, that is like a positive fuel for my engine, and I feel good, you know, because, you know, we have our naysayers out there, our detractors and our critics and so forth.
You're doing a good job. I enjoy.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Your good work.
Thank you so much, sweetheart.
Okay, right.
You take care.
Good now.
Wonderful. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello?
Hello?
Who that about?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Who that about?
What?
Who that about?
Nobody not cry.
Me, when the light come on me.
We know the outside and make nice.
Okay.
Anyway, the girl we called yesterday.
Yeah. Which one?
Well, she confessed and she tell her boyfriend whatever happened.
Right.
I would do the same thing.
You would not do the same thing?
Actually, if that really happened, and because certain times you go certain place and things happen, and the next day you really look back at it.
Okay.
Yeah, I really know say certain things did really happen.
Right. I know say you did wrong.
All right, yeah, because when she made the mistake, when she got the house and she realized that certain things are going on,
yeah.
Just like she take the taxi the next day and go home with a stranger. She couldn't check it that time.
That is my point. That is one of the points me I make. So she didn't really want to leave long time.
Just like how she take in at the mine and she never know the person.
You're the brother who call after and talk about in the middle of the winter when the three big man them carry him go to the place and want to sort him out. And thing and him never
didn't hear about it.
And him walk out in the snow in them socks. And because if you really don't want to do the thing, you really don't want to do the thing, you have to firm. But if somebody, if them predator sense you know really firm on the thing, them are going to just press your button till them get through.
Exactly.
Because she did have several opportunities for court. when she go to the club and she go see another friend and she hang out with
couldn't leave too.
She couldn't leave at that time. So if me I step to you and I look you and whatever this and that, and then me say me go club, and then you go club with me, and can you did I say you want to go home, and then after me that club with you whatever, you still come back home with me?
A drunk.
No, yeah, I you did a drink. I send the message to me and say, boy, yeah, I said no, but you know.
Yeah.
You tell the message to me, say, any of me go and press the thing and just go and push. Something not gonna send on, you see me?
You make the mistake right there, so.
See that for real. But yeah, say if you accidentally
things happen, you know. So maybe time flies past and things just happen so fast. Even if it happens, I still talk.
Okay. You not still talk. But why you not say to the people and say you are a damn idiot? Because if you know say you're not gonna do it again, you're good. You just not do it again. Why go tell it?
Just that your conscience will bother you for so long, and if you claim say you love the person, you know, talk.
If you're in love with somebody and live with somebody, right? Hello?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Right? And then you go do something bad. If you really love the person, you would tell them the bad thing what you do?
Yeah. I mean, it's either them forgive you or you move on.
Okay. Well, that's a good point right there. But one last question before you go. Here is this girl on the internet. She named Ugly Betty Sutherland. And she beggy. She said she love beg man and thing. What you think about that?
Actually, I don't really check it out yet. But since I just thought, I'm going to check it. And then we can...
No. She said she love beg man money. A man for send her money. She beggy. She said she admit.
And she named Ugly Betty?
She named Ugly Betty Sutherland. Sutherland. Ugly Betty Sutherland. No, but just I said she...
Because man, I got to take what they want from her and I give her no money for so she deal with it. Then.
No, but she's smart. She'll probably wait till she get the money first. But what you think?
But everyone stays so.
No, but what you think about the fact that she beggy?
Then she can go on the road, go beg them instead of wait for somebody to come give her money.
Okay.
Beg them like that.
Okay, so you don't think she
just
careless?
Like a mad woman up on the road, I beg.
The old madam, okay, I see what you said. Now, interesting analogy, madam, man. That sounds fairly accurate about her. Anyway, blessings here.
All right, okay.
Yeah, man. Tell Chris Cross if I find that a lady side of him, yeah. But anyway, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, what's up?
Good afternoon, brother.
Yes, good afternoon.
First time caller.
All right, what's going on?
I would like to big up you for the good work you're doing. I've come like I want to peep in my pants for getting you on the radio.
Okay, darling, don't peep in your pants right now, but
I'm on the Waterloo Road. I listen to your program every day, but I never get a chance to call and say hi or anything. I have a lot of mix up, but I can't talk right now.
You can't talk.
Anyway,
then you can't squeeze one little one.
I'm talking about the married mix-up. I know what this girl.
Yeah.
Take away this lady husband.
Yeah.
And she live with them, live together. The man rent house, put her in nice house and car and everything, you know. And the wife find out that the husband is cheating on her.
Yeah.
And now that the wife leave the husband and she get the husband for herself.
Yeah.
The husband now breed somebody else, give she born and get somebody pregnant and living up an next bigger lady's man in her, and she not getting nothing much more than work, and that's it, work for the man.
Well, on, when you say next bigger lady and minor, what do you mean? Hello?
Somebody else with more money talk, more money.
Is that woman a minor now?
Mind the man.
A mind the man now?
Yeah, and him get the girl, the next girl pregnant, and him tell her to go do abortion and all of them stuff there. And the bigger lady now with fee money, carry fee in Pitney, and the one we don't have enough money, him tell her to do abortion.
So what's the one where they take him from the wife? Where she?
That's the one who do the abortion.
That other one that do the abortion?
Yes, because that bigger lady come in now and have the whole heap of money and buy him car and all of them stuff there.
Okay. So you see what goes around comes around, don't it?
So when you check with the man, make sure you can hold him and keep him.
That's a good point. Because I always say you have a holy woman can get any man them want, but them cannot keep man.
Cannot keep the man straight from there.
Okay, I think I credit that. And the same thing apply to man too. You have a holy man. You have a holy hot boy out there can't get to man, and then can't keep woman. Hey, Chris Grass, you know, say you have a whole heap of hot man out there get crazy woman and every woman then get born him. That's something I see, you know. Real high roller, you know. Have some good woman, you know. Every woman them get that woman they born them. I want to go on this.
No consistency, it seems.
No, but man, just I tell you that. Eh? Them not the time for the woman them. See it there. Well, and sometimes there are other inadequacies there, you know. Because you have a lot of men overcompensate for their deficiencies with big cars and this and that and whatever. Here we go. Play a tan song there for me. What tan say?
Beg you some money now. You can't want get free loving so. Beg you some money now.
Tan, what you say?
Beg you some money now. You can't want get free loving so. Beg you some money now.
The nastiness calling. Tan calling. People. Beggy, Tan, Caitlin, Tan over Antigua. They're on the line.
Yes,
Beggy,
in the building.
Ugly Betty Sutherland in the building.
One and only.
Gaza Queen, Ugly Betty Sutherland in the building. What go down, Tan?
I am here, but stunt have me up because I grab me and push a boulder stunt to work with because stunt quiet to mash up and shut down makes you have me up.
You're rude. Call back stunt FM. What you say about stunt?
I say because I quarry a shut down a boulder stunt pick up and me deal with gravel.
Stunt! No, listen, don't bright olive oil. Don't olive oil.
When a peep to key oil.
The only time you get started on a peep to key
oil. Yeah, the same. You see the same circle on the eyes, not a glasses, a doorknob.
Okay, so I call for come down me.
Out I call. Ugly Betty Sutherland, the one and only.
I call for come down me.
Brother, you done already. You come like an expert, Supper Jane.
Lord God, you know. Give it to me. Well, I'm wait there. I want me to you.
Leave her alone. She's supposed to.
Okay. All right then.
Boy, you be a man in time. You must stop telling Raga. You must stop it. You behind the ears back. You must stop it, Raga.
Okay, you know. Okay. No, man. You're going to in a Mixup and Blenda, you know. Don't worry yourself, man. I mean, to tell you, well, and stunt up on the line. Stunt.
Yes, me there.
The one Tan they are talk about, so she move gravel, but you move some big old bowl, that means some big old stone. She dep on the line, Stunt. She dep on the line.
Raga mean.
Well, I know, Stunt. Talk to her. Shot here.
Move anything. Stunt move anything. So she's not ready yet.
She's supposed to Raga heavy equipment to deal with.
Stunt in a yes.
Small machine.
But look, you know, she not no sense. I got something to argue with she. When a girl can move every equipment, that means she has to one.
Fight.
I mean, so when stunt to overwork our quarry, it's too shut down. I mean, to go small.
Raga.
Yeah.
Overwork. Raga.
Yeah.
I live better when me overwork it, because me have something for sure. Because when me I take a girl, man, the first thing me do, I tell them my bank will take loan. That's when they gone, you have to go with the loan. Because they have to pay the loan when they gone.
Raga son, they have nothing for sure, because the money she take, she still have the Adam's apple. Your own son, heavy and rough like a man. Don't need to do an operation. Go and remove her Adam's apple, then she can talk to me.
Come for your show and talk, and people can recognize you and me. And say, me I talk the truth.
No, but stunt. No, stunt. Me fearing up, but me have to be fearing a stunt. Tantana down here right now, you know. Answer back some. Me have to be fearing stunt.
It's not about
Raga, she can't argue with me. Raga.
No, but stunt. Tell her about the things.
I'm not talking to the point. She not nothing for sure, Raga. She not nothing for sure. She don't know if it do TikTok for man and she sit down on the map stick. She just sit down on her foot, but I me TikTok for my toe. When I start about
TikTok from the 80s and Beanie Man, so used to sing a back up on the dumper truck we deal with. Stunt, I just said if the ice don't set good, they can't talk to me, Stunt. I mean say freezer.
You're not saying nothing, my girl. You're not saying nothing. You're something like a buggy whipper. We are bend and pick up grabber. My one still like a virgin.
When it's long, I'm going to take it and turn it in a necklace. I will feel like I will say manufacturer, not enough forgot to wear.
No, Stunt. Stunt. Yeah, go and talk, Stunt. Go on.
There, so me can't go and know the Raga.
Okay.
Yeah, that's Stunt.
No, but Stunt.
I really answer Raga, but to me,
Don't worry, your Red Bull tin. Your Red Bull tin, your Red Bull tin. Your Red Bull tin.
No, you end up bad now, you know. You end up bad. You end up bad. No, just you end up a stammer. I want to ask them. Your Red Bull tin. Your Red Bull tin. Your Red Bull tin. Your Red Bull. Your Red Bull.
Red Bull tin. So weird.
Okay, we don't want nobody get into it.
Them girls don't know to hold them, man, so they can't go.
We're not supposed to hold, man. Man must walk free. I mean, say moving right along. And Raga, as a matter of fact, I don't beg, man. Take that.
Sure.
Take them and not get nothing. When you take them, you take them. When you look at you, not nothing. You show only belly full.
No, what she mean?
Belly full. Me just want asset.
But you suppose you can't act hungry. Your belly must full, Stunt. So you feel like
because you want to be my girl.
Hungry.
My girl appears.
Well on. Ladies, give me 1 second. I'm going to take a quick break. We'll come back to you 2 hours. I like it.
Mixup and Blenda time. I'm going to the call and talk up the things.
Hey, man, welcome back up another sitting now. I don't know, Ragashanti there with the Mixup and Blenda vibes. I have two our celebrated family members online, Stunt, and of course, Ugly Betty Sutherland, a.k.a. Tantan, and sitting now, whatever. Tantan?
I'm still here, Raga.
Stunt? Stunt, no. No, Stunt. I have a fear, you know. Stunt means a fear, man.
Yeah, but
me not like. Me not
when me son there, so me can't chat no Raga.
Oh, you can't chat no. You can't chat no, Stunt.
$2 million Raga.
Stunt.
$2 million car, and son, and if I don't have a proper type, and it's something, you can buy $2 million car to park up here because I don't license insurance. Raga Stunt upset, you know why?
No, one at a time. Yeah. Stunt upset because what?
She upset because Prince Charming go a ferry and her big foot could fit in the glass slippers. Stunt shoemaker, you need to go find your slippers to fit you.
Stunt, she said Prince Charming go a your yard and like, which one a Cinderella? Your big foot could fit in the hot slippers. Stunt, answer.
Then listen to Raga. You are walk and beg, my girl. I mean,
no, don't walk and beg.
Stunt. We can't talk about that eat part there, yeah? We can't talk. We can do it a Mixup and Blender, but not on the radio, yeah? All right, but go on talk now, yeah.
Brother, I mean, I have to beg.
Not a prisoner, about tie up and all.
Well on the Tantan, yeah. Yeah, go on talk, Stunt.
But she just get ignorant because she not say truth.
No man, she not get ignorant. She understand the game. She understand. No man, she not get. Trust me upon that one.
Me not have to work and beg because me know of the handcuff my man palm paid.
Yeah.
And blindfold him and ticklish him and beat him with the love whip.
Yeah.
You don't know them style.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. All right, Tantan, you make your answer now, Stunt. Tantan, I could hear what you say.
Mama tell her she don't know the man, she don't know the prisoner about type and stand and talk about man for her. So I fly, that you call your man no fly. I fly, that you call your man fly. I fly alone, no for a woman. I follow back people.
You boring. You don't know, you just have to one style. There are many styles, African man, different styles for them come back. You love making too boring, my dear. Since you don't know about handcuff and something, you're not saying nothing.
You see, all right, Tanta, what you saying?
Listen to me. Don't have no chat about handcuff and so. I have accounts and maths. Say subtract divide. So I don't need handcuff for turn on maths.
You have to spice up. You love making like when you spice up meat in a pot. You can't make it boring, my girl. So now I say nothing.
Not boring. Once the man look for me, turn on. I don't need no spice or nothing. Once the man see me, the man ready. I don't need no spice.
My girl. Love making sweet like when man has to clean. So you don't know nothing about romance, baby.
Not me.
You don't palm back now and say, not my girl, you have your style. And to me, you know, so like you are no style, so well, nobody.
Pampas bottom stunt. You can't deal with me. We're going to get some money for because you chief up.
You're not so not my girl. You don't know if you turn on, man. I might style him. I bet you have me don't time. You can try them out tonight.
All right. Well, I don't know. Hear me now. Stunt. For that's why it's a blessing to Tan. It's a blessing to Sir Cameron. I'm about to get it. You see it. All right, Stunt.
Big her up. What's your name again, Raga?
Ugly Betty Sutherland, the one and only.
Ugly Betty Sutherland.
Try my style, man. No disrespect.
Stunt. She'll come at the show, you know. She'll come at the show on the 25th at National Arena, Christmas.
I will be there.
She will be there. So,
too.
Stunt, me want you roll in here. But Stunt,
yeah, man,
Stunt, me have to be fair doing, you know, Stunt. You did that try, you hold it, but in terms of the lyrics, them where she drop, me have to give it to her. Because you know, I don't like her, though.
Yeah, but Mommy, I want your trace. You know them way.
Me know them way there, but no, Stunt, me have to fear. She go hard a while ago, but nah lie. She go hard a while ago.
I just figure that there's always a win and there's always
See it there. But don't worry yourself, Stunt. It's all about Mixup and Blenda National Arena. All right, blessings here.
Okay, bye.
Okay, Ugly Betty Sutherland in the building. Come in and done me and done. Oh, no, but I tell a lie. She build back. No. She build back wicked. I want the expired supplement. I want the tech. I want the tech. I'm going to use that. It coming like an expired supplement. No boost, no there. English card. That shot go like an expired supplement. No boost, no there. Which other one she must take again?
Oh, Jesus.
Well, she did, you know.
It's shot, man. It's shot.
Some people I say, oh, Ragashanti, I don't know what. You think me a fool?
Eh?
Me know when for open my mouth. You know? Leave it alone. Yeah, well, we never see that one coming. A clash between Tan and Stunt. And sitting. Jeremy, you amazing. Why you didn't hear it? You hear it? It's mad, though. See it there? That don't easy. That look rich. Love a war. Love a piece of war. Anyway, I'm going to bounce one more call before we let go and Tingz and Chris Cross play 2 tunes. Greetings.
Yes, brother.
What's up?
I'm there.
What go down there?
Hey, what me want to talk on the topic about holding your woman.
Yeah.
Me not really do anything to hold my wife now. Wife me I talk about.
Wife?
Me don't really do anything to hold my wife. Me just do what a man have to do.
Like, so what you do what a man have to do now for what your wife?
All right. Me go out there and me see like some nice slippers.
Yeah.
Buy her a pair of slippers.
Yeah.
Buy her like lingerie. All right, me do the usual. You know, say, me are the man, so me take care of the house.
Right.
And take care of me youth there.
Right.
But me go out there and me see certain things and me feel say it all look nice for her, me just buy it.
See it there?
She's a dressmaker. So she make her things and me go out and me see some nice blouse or skirt and so forth. Me buy it and bring her and give her.
See it there?
And me don't really have a problem.
See it
I'm
there?
married now 21 years.
See it there?
Right? And believe me, if any problem in that relationship, I'm me.
You're married 21 years now, and you say if any problem in the relationship, you would have...
It would be me.
What?
Right? And you see, two me know say it would be me.
Yeah.
Me not make it be a problem.
Okay.
Believe me.
So wait, so your wife not make no problem at all in a relationship?
No problem.
Okay.
Me can call her name. Everybody know her. She not make no problem.
Okay.
If me go in Vex, all right, me up on the road.
Yeah.
That means a truck driver.
Yeah.
I'm up on the road and certain things happen, I'm Vex. She not make me go on my bed Vex, you know.
For real?
No, man, she not make me go on my bed Vex, man.
If you upset on something, stir up your brain and mash up or whatever, she always find somewhere to calm you down and make you settle and think before you go on your bed.
Yeah, man.
And
believe me, I'm the perfect wife.
And you say something like that is because you have something more hear them come and them talk about the sort out and things like that. And these are the things that you as a man now come and say, listen, one of the things that is really important to you is that whenever you stress out, whenever you have a rough and terrible day, your wife always finds somewhere to make sure that you don't go on your bed vex. And you rate that in your wife.
How you mean, man?
Are you rich?
More than rich. Me bigger up if you give me time to bigger up.
No, man, bigger up, man. Call her name. Call.
She named Mrs. Letitia Campbell.
Mrs. what?
Greenville, Mandiver.
Mrs. what?
Letitia.
Letitia Campbell from Greenville in Mandiver. Mrs. Letitia Campbell from Greenville in Mandiver. Okay, what them?
Our husband, Leon Campbell, work on mobile. Me drive garbage truck on mobile.
See it there, Papa, see it there. What them call her? What them call her over there?
Them call her Letty.
Letty.
Yeah.
Well, Ragashanti, I said, big up to Letty. Your husband calling, your husband of 21 years calling. Mrs. Letitia Campbell, what them call Letty from Greenville in Mandiver. Your husband calling and him a rate you. Say you're a good woman. Say you make sure say him not go bed vex and thing. And the man say, if any problem come up in the relationship,
it would be me.
Him say it would be him. It would be him and not you. So because of that, what you are saying right now is that you make sure so you just take care of all of your responsibilities and what you're supposed to take care.
What you mean, man?
Are you always a thing about your wife?
Man, we lie down and chat for a long time.
See it there?
Just a talk.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And I just come go with me and she.
Nice.
And I respect her to the bone.
Wonderful.
And other people respect her too.
Yeah. No, man, we love them things when a man can call in and rate up him, man. Rate up him wife of 21 years, you know. Remember, say, no, look, a careless girl will give one good shot out of your head and take you. Your wife of 21 years. And you rate her up them way after 21 years. And we want people to know a relationship can work, they can be successful, people remain in love, and they remain happy, and have mutual respect between one another. I'm a rate where you are the right to some of that.
All right. Yeah, you know who you can ask?
Hey, who?
That's Dog. Dog actually me next door neighbor.
Old dog.
Old dog. Actually me next door neighbor.
How him do with film relationship?
You know, me not really up there now, you know, me there mobile.
Okay.
Because I work with WPM mobile.
Okay.
You know, me not really up there. Me on a weekend or so about 2 weeks and she come down.
Okay, then from what you know about old dog, how am I doing in the relationship area?
I'm alright, you know, because let me tell you, old dog are a rough youth, as you know.
Yeah.
But you see within a relationship,
yeah,
I'm smooth with that.
And smooth with that?
Yeah.
So we're smooth
with it. You know, it's a rough youth.
It's a rough youth, okay.
Yeah, man, a rough youth, man, for a long time, and I just know.
So, what you think you need, look at sandpaper, you know?
Yes, you can take a little rubber.
Look at rubber. Listen to the party. What them call you?
Leon, my name, man.
Leon, no say a word, man. I just want some respect for that link up here and a big up for your wife. Maximum ratings and things. You see?
Yeah, man.
All right, you take care, Papa.
Cool,
yeah.
Yep.
One last caller. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Yes, I'm calling about how I deal with my wife.
Yes.
My wife.
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah, man. Yeah. What you do for keep? What you do for keep your wife and keep her happy?
Who is it?
A Ragashanti attack to you, man.
Yeah, I treat my wife.
Well, you know what the problem is? You listen to the radio in our background, you know.
No, I'm not listening to you again.
But we are here.
Like Raga, that's right. Sorry about that.
I'm the same one, man. All right, rinse. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What I say, how me treat my wife is that me surprise her.
Yeah.
The small things.
Mm-hmm.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, how me treat my wife is that I surprise her with a lot of things.
Okay.
You know, buy her gifts. Sometimes me hear she says she wants something. You know, I'm going to get it for her. Sometimes I walk, and I see something. I just picture she in it.
Yeah.
It look good, it feel good. I just buy it for her. You see what I say?
You see it.
I don't wait till my wife not ask me for money. And she's very helpful, very caring, very loving. I rate her to the max.
Call up her name right now and big her up.
Mrs. Money Dear Burrows.
Monique Dear Burrows. From where? Where she live?
Duane Park.
Big up Monique Dear Burrows from Duane Park. Your husband, I rate you to the max because you're good like that. All right, now what is...
meet her 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Me have more money than what me have now. Big man thing.
What you said talking about that?
You know, me meet her 3 years ago.
Yeah.
But I have more money than what I have now. Big man thing.
Oh, no, we love them woman there, you know. You see woman who when you're there on them, your business grow and your prosperity grow. You know why look at them woman there, you know. You value them and you rate them because them always want you grow. And them always give you ideas and help you, you understand? Rather than the one them want to suck out your eye. All them want is just them coming like siren, wah, 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 wah. And them want to suck out your eye, and it's all about gig. And when you give them anything, then go bank it and then come back, come ask you for more when you're hungry. They are more wicked them. You understand?
One last thing.
Yeah.
One last thing. You know, so before, when my first Christmas, I spent with my wife.
Yeah.
Come in and live together. First Christmas, you know, so I give her $40,000.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell her, I said, 20 for look by the house and the 20 for fair herself.
Yeah.
You know, she look for me and give me back, she give me back $10,000.
Mm-hmm.
And so I keep that. You know what I do? I'm scared to put in our bank account.
See it, the papa. See it, they are good woman, them there. Yeah, some woman, you know, them, some woman don't even give back, you know. No care what. You have some woman don't give back, no care what you give them don't give you back anything. And you jack back and you say, then wait, then, you know, back, and just you give them don't give you. Eh?
What some man should understand, you know. Let me tell you a big man thing.
Yeah.
What some man must understand. If you have a woman, see,
yeah, and
you say, baby, I don't feel like for cook today, you know.
Yeah.
I'm going to say, all right, what you want? I can't go Burger King or stuff.
Yeah.
You know, my wife look for me and say, no, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Guess what I'm going to do? I go, cut up, so I make you a sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
She get the sardine and the thin cheese,
mm-hmm,
and the tomato and them thing there. And she said, baby, we're going to eat that. See? I mean, you look into it and I say, but I want to go carry, go somewhere, go eat, go dine. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And she just build back and she said, no, she prefer to eat one sandwich.
Papa, big up yourself with your wife, Monica, and thing over in a 20 part, the larger yourself. And what is your name again?
Sean.
Sean. All right, Sean. A blessings and respect here.
Manners.
Manners and respect. Yeah, man, we love that, you know, when the man them call in and big up them wife, walk one good because, you know, so we talk about burning enough, we talk about wife and mate and be things and whatever, but we want people to know so there are people out there in some successful relationship. There's some woman who out there hold it and lock it in a serious and respectful way and impressive way. And we want to big up them ladies there to the max and big up the man them who have it locked to. You see it? Big up all of the successful relationship them who go hard out there. Enough respect, indeed. Big up Stone to big up Tantan, Ugly Betty Sutherland, big up everybody who calling large upon themselves. Out road.